Hello guys. Hello guys. This is your favorite friend Samuel. Today I want to lead you on biblical ways of solving your problem. Biblical ways of solving problem. What is problem, by the way? A problem is when an outward situation is differ from desired want. When an outward situation is differ from the desired want. Now, let me lead you to three biblical points in solving problem. Three biblical points in solving problem. Number one is prayer and petition. Prayer and petition. Prayer and petition in Bible reference. You can see that in Philippians chapter 4, 6 and 7. Now, you can see that in that very portion, you see that bring your problem to God in prayer, seeking for guidance and wisdom. Now, another point is seeking wise counseling. Another point is seeking wise counseling. Now, Proverbs chapter 11, verse 14, you can see that in that very portion, it says, seek wise counseling from godly people who can offer guidance and support. Seek wise counseling from godly people who can offer you what? Guidance and support. Now, the third one is faith and trust. Faith and trust. Faith and trust. Now, Proverbs chapter 3, 5 to 6. Now, trust in God's sovereignty and goodness even when you do not understand the situation. Now, let me relate these 3 points into our previous discussion that we said in science. I taught something about identification of problems, analyzing of problems, and synthesizing of problems. Likewise, when we discuss in politics. The reason why I wanted to relate these 3 things to our previous discussion is because these 3 things are things that hold human beings accountable, that sustain human beings in this age as long as this age is concerned. This age is overwhelming with a lot of burdens and situation problems. Now, when I said in science, you need to identify the problem first. Just like when you are taking your prayer and petition to God. To see, you are now identify that really in your body, within you, you have a problem. Now, you try to assess what type of problem that you have, what type of problem am I having. You now analyze it. That is where we have seek wise counseling. That is why I said seek wise counseling. Now, seeking wise counseling, this counseling will be someone who will give you support, guidance, not someone that will be asking you money to bring for assignment. No, that one will be another discussion for another day. Now, but our focus here is a counselor who can guide you and give you some emotional support, physical support, even to go an extra mile to sacrifice for you in order for you to survive from that situation or from that problems. Now, that is where you are analyzing the problem. You are taking the problem to another person to see in order for a solution to come out, to come in. Now we have another one, faith and trust. It is faith and trust. It's just like you are analyzing the problem. You now really know the exact problem. You now take faith in place of that, in that synthesizing. You now use faith to hold this thing, to build your hope, for your hope to remain faithful. then you put that hope in trust. Who did you trust? Is God. Now, for you to assemble these things, realize the problem, analyze the problem, understand you have a problem, now find who can solve this problem for you. It's just like applicable between identify, analyze, and synthesize it. Now, by the time you come up with this result of these three things that I mentioned here, you now find out that you become overcomer of such problem. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Like this comment, share this comment, make others realize that things like this are going on. Thank you. Love you guys.